In this episode of Financial Literacy for Beginners, we're going to talk about how to make money this month. Cue the intro. So when you're talking about making money, one of the things that, I understand and I'm with you is that you want to make money now. You don't want to make money 2 years from now. You don't want to make money, 3 months from now. You want to make money right now. You may need money this month. And I want to talk about that. How do we make money this month? One of the first things you got to do is you got to look at what you're currently doing. If you're not working, if you have a lifestyle that you're already living in and you are working, really look at what your overhead is versus what you're making. This is one of the easiest ways to actually make money in your current budget is looking at your overhead, looking at all the things you're paying for and really putting those things down in front of you. And if there are things, and not if, there are going to be things that you do not need to be paying for. And once you find those things, stop paying for them. Cut them out of your budget. Get them off of your books because those are the things that are draining your pocket. So the first thing to do is do that, and that will make you money right off the bat. Okay, video's over. Just kidding. So basically the next thing you want to do is all the stuff that you have. This is the problem with everybody. We have so much stuff that we're not using that's just sitting around collecting dust. A lot of it is, stuff that, is in good working order, stuff that is sometimes brand new that we have purchased or someone else has purchased for us that we don't even use. Take that stuff, and there are a ton of places that you can sell it. You can put it on eBay, Craigslist, the multitude of sites that are around that will take that stuff, Amazon, anything, what have you, that you can actually start today and within a month be making money off of those things. So that's the second thing you need to do. You need to find all the stuff around your house that you're not using, that you do not want. Even if there's a local pawn shop you want to take it to, you want to get rid of it, take it there. There's so many things that you can do to get rid of that stuff. Take that stuff, get rid of it because it's money that's just sitting there that you can make right now this month. Now, the next thing I want you to do is really think about your skill sets. Think about all the things that you're good at, things that people need that you are actually good at. There are a ton of sites like TaskRabbit and what have you that you can actually go and start doing those things that you're good at and making money instantly from those things. Everybody's got something that they know how to do, and trust me, it's valuable to someone. The next thing I want you to do to make money this month is to sit down and think about all the people that you have actually loaned money or done favors for that owe you money, because most times there are at least 2 or 3 people out there that actually owe you money that will give you that money if you ask for it. I want you to compile a list of those people, and I want you to call them and say, hey, do you have the money you owe me? You don't have to be mean about it. You don't have to be, confrontational, because right now you're in a place where you need that money or you want that money and it's yours. It's yours. You don't have to feel, bent out of shape. You don't have to feel some kind of way about it. Ask them for the money they owe you. Sometimes people have forgotten, and they will be relieved that, oh, you know what, thank you, I remember, you helped me out with XYZ, and they will feel relieved that they're able to pay you back and get that off their chest or off their karma. A lot of people feel that way, and you need to take advantage of that right now in your time of need and get that money back that you need. Okay, let's pause here for a second, because I think it's important to say this before we go any further. Most of the things that we're discussing here in this video are going to require some level of effort or action on your part. So if you're not the kind of person that likes to take action and take effort, you might not do as well with some of these things that we're talking about. But if you are a go-getter kind of person and you really have that drive to make money and you really want to make money, you can make money this month doing most of these things, because they are things that if you do put in the work, you will make money, and they are proven to do that as well. So don't go anywhere. There are some more things that we can talk about right now. They're going to get you paid this month. And one of those things is, if you haven't started already, definitely take a look at your Uber Eats, your DoorDash, and all of those driving services that you can kind of do deliveries. Those services actually do work. I've seen people actually turn those into full-time jobs. And I know everybody may not be driving or have a reliable mode of transportation, so don't worry, I got you too. There are also other things that you can do, like taking surveys. This is not gonna make you rich, but there are a lot of sites out there that you can actually go on right now and start taking different kind of surveys and racking up points and things and getting gift cards that you can convert into cash. So definitely do that. Definitely look at that. I think I might drop a few of those down in the description below if I can remember, but definitely take a look at those. Also, if you're in like a city type area, if you're in a good area like in the heart of a city somewhere, I've also seen people make a lot of money just recharging like scooters and things like that. So that's a really good business to do if you are in the city, even if you don't have a mode of transportation. I've seen kids riding down the streets with scooters on top of scooters on top of scooters and actually getting them to where they need to go so that they can charge them up and put them back on the street. So if you got that spirit, if you got that get up and go spirit, there are a ton of ways that you can make money. You just got to be able to get out there and get it done. Definitely drop this video a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And the last thing I want you to do to make money this month is I want you to think of a business idea or something that you know how to make money that you've been wanting to do for a while. This may be a little bit more long term, but you never know. You might be able to make money within the month with this specific thing, depending on what kind of business it is. Think about that business idea, and I want you to start to implement and work towards getting that business done. Do all of the free things that are associated with getting that business to where it needs to be, and get to the point where you can, really put that thing into motion, and you will see at the end of it that it may be something that is actually going to extend beyond this month and something that is going to be something beneficial for you in the long run. A lot of times this is the way people start really profitable businesses, when they're actually in a position where they need money, when you have to get up and make that decision to make that thing happen in your life. A lot of times that will turn into something bigger than you could ever dream. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to take that initiative to think about the thing that you've been wanting to do, the business that you've been wanting to start, that entrepreneurial dream that you've been wanting to put into motion. Bring that thing to life, take those steps toward that thing, and let that be something that you're actually working towards this month and actually striving towards this month. Really connect the dots and see how you can make it profitable. And you'll be surprised at how far you can go with it. I hope this has been extremely helpful for someone, and until we talk again, I wish you health, wealth, and freedom.